These marker lights are original, but they're shot. Time to upgrade the whole harness. These old chicken lights are in decent shape, but the wiring harness needs attention before we reinstall them. As you can see up here on the roof line, these amber lenses are completely shot. This oxidation means they're not just dim, they're unsafe. Okay, so this here is the main harness for the chicken lights. We're going to trace this back to the fuse block. So the power comes in here through the main harness and splits off to each amber marker light along the cab. These are the original chicken lights we pulled off the cab. You can see the corrosion on the connectors here.
We're replacing the old harness with these new connectors to make sure the chicken lights fire up perfectly.
We use these tensioners to ensure the harness is secure and away from any moving components. Organization is key to prevent chafing down the road.
The paintwork on this A6 is in rough shape. We have significant clear coat failure and deep scratches all along the side panels. It's going to need extensive prep work.